Is your fridge running, but not cooling properly? It might look fine from the outside, but inside, something could be seriously blocked. This problem is often called choking, where the refrigerant flow inside your fridge gets restricted. When the flow is blocked, your fridge can't circulate cooling properly, and that's why the temperature starts rising. The most common place for this blockage is the capillary tube or the filter dryer. Sometimes oil from the compressor builds up and clogs the system over time. Moisture inside the system can also freeze and create ice blockages inside the pipes. In some cases, contaminated refrigerant or debris can completely restrict the flow. To fix this, professionals usually flush the system to remove oil, dirt, and blockages. They also replace the filter dryer to ensure clean and smooth refrigerant flow. Next comes a deep vacuum process to remove any moisture or trapped air inside the system. After that, the system is recharged with fresh refrigerant to restore proper cooling. If ignored, a choking problem can damage your compressor, so fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs.